Unmanned combat aerial vehicles or drones no doubt have greatly changed the nature of modern warfare and have emerged as a reliable weapon in both low and high intensity conflicts. States and non-state actors have used the UAVs in different conflicts all over the globe. Houthis used them against Saudis, and Ukrainian forces are using them against Russians to devastating effect. Due to their high level of effectiveness, low cost, and high degree of battlefield concealment, UAVs are becoming important weapons in the arsenals of several countries, and Pakistan is no exception. Given its unique geographic location, weak economy, and being subject to constant internal and external threats, Pakistan is also gradually expanding its fleet of UAVs, which is a cost-effective answer to its constant security problems. To achieve its vision of self-reliance, Pakistan is focused on producing her own fleet of UAVs. Over the years, they have unveiled different locally developed UAVs, most of which have already entered service. The newest drone in their arsenal, the Shahpar 2, is an advanced recon and combat drone with a wide range of capabilities. The Shahpar 2 is developed by Global Industrial Defense Solutions of Pakistan, also known as GIDS. It was under development since 2017. After the completion of test and qualification phase, it has now finally entered service. Shahpar 2 is a versatile UAV with the ability to conduct targeted attacks, surveillance, and a variety of intelligence gathering operations. The Shahpar 2 has a canard pusher design. It has a modular airframe structure design made of cutting-edge metallic and composite hybrid structure with superior aerodynamics. Shahpar 2 features a pusher engine with canards in front of the wings. Due to its automatic takeoff and landing capability, retractable landing gears, and composite airframe, the Shahpar 2 is a lighter and aerodynamically more agile UAV. It has the ability to support wide range of configurations for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering operations, which includes communication intelligence, electronic intelligence, and synthetic aperture radar. The Shahpar 2 can also carry electro-optical and infrared turret. In fact, GIDS is offering domestically produced Zumar 2 electro-optical and infrared turret weighing about 49 kg, which can be installed as internal payload. But Shahpar 2 can also be equipped with any other targeting system available from foreign suppliers. The avionics can georeference and geopoint any target on the ground. When configured for surveillance, the Shahpar 2 offers 20,000 feet service ceiling and endurance of 14 hours. The internal payload capacity of Shahpar 2 is 50 kg. Two missile mounting external hardpoints, each capable of supporting 60 kg of weight, are located beneath its wings, allowing it to carry two laser-guided missiles during combat operations. Shahpar 2 is a capable combat drone. Armed with locally built Burke laser-guided air-to-surface missiles, it can destroy moving and still targets with high level of accuracy. This unmanned combat aerial vehicle can also be armed with third-party munitions. In case of any conflict, the Shahpar 2 can be used against missile defense systems, armored vehicles, and buildings very effectively. In combat mode, it has 7-hour endurance with the service ceiling of 18,000 feet. Shahpar 2 has real-time data link range of 300 km. When connected to SATCOM, its range extends to nearly 1100 km, which gives it the capability to operate well beyond the line of sight. The maximum speed of Shahpar 2 is 222 km per hour, while its cruise speed is 157 km per hour. Also, its mid-air engine restart capability and internal pilot gives it the ability to tackle any hazardous situation during flight. Ground equipment of Shahpar 2 is capable of mission management and planning, control and simulation, as well as crew debriefing. Shahpar 2 has already entered service with the Pakistani Armed Forces, but they are also willing to allocate production for exports. According to GIDS, it is a cost-effective drone with advanced capabilities compared to competing systems in the same price range. If Pakistan achieves its goal of becoming a UAV exporter, it would provide a significant boost to the country's military sector and economy, as well as much-needed sphere of influence in the global arena.